Okay.
Unit 18, Carbonyl compounds. Blueprint. Part 1, 1 mark question. Part 2, 1 3 mark question. Question number 48. Part 3, 1 5 mark question. Question number 61. In the carbonyl compounds, let's start from the functional group. Why these compounds have been called as carbonyl group? Carbon valency is 4. So, one on the left hand side, another on the right side, remaining 2 will be like this. This is the functional group of carbonyl compounds. Suppose both the side you are having alkyl group like this, then it is called as ketone. If both the sides have been occupied by alkyl groups, then it is called as ketone. Look here, in order to differentiate these two, I put the symbol like this. Suppose on the one side you are having alkyl group, on the another side you are having H, then it is called as aldehyde group. So the ketones and aldehydes are collectively called as carbonyl compounds. Let's see aldehydes first. The simplest aldehyde has been represented like this. This can be written as HCHO. It is called as formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the simplest aldehyde so far. It is the common name, of course. Common name. Shall we see the IUPAC name? In order to write the IUPAC name, look at the number of carbon. It has 1 carbon. So, 1 carbon means methane. So, methanol. Ending with AL. It should not be end with OL. Methanol means alcohol. It's an aldehyde, so it must be methanol. Suppose we will enter into the second one, CH3. It is called acetaldehyde. Common name is acetaldehyde. IUPAC name. Totally 2 carbons are there. So, it is called as ethanol. 1 carbon means methanol and 2 carbon means ethanol. Suppose it is having a group like this and CHO. This is one compound. One CH surrounded by 2 CH3 is called as iso. And totally 4 carbons are there. So, the common name is isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. This is the common name. Basically, let's go for IUPAC. Basically, you have to count these carbons 1, 2 and 3. You should not count this carbon. It's the branch. It is methyl branch. The methyl branch is connected with the second carbon. This chain has 3 carbons and the second carbon carries methyl. So, you have to start like this. 2-methyl. Why 2-methyl? The methyl group is connected with the second carbon. That's why 2-methyl. Then counted carbons are 3. Even though 4 carbons are there, the 3 counted carbons are there. The counted carbons 3. So, it is propanol ending with Al. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. These all are saturated. All the single bonded compounds are called as saturated compounds. There is one unsaturated aldehyde is also there. Let's see the unsaturated aldehyde. CH2, double bond CH and CHO. It is an unsaturated aldehyde. It is called acrolein. This is formed by the dehydration of glycerol. When glycerol has been dehydrated, in the presence of potassium bisulfate, this compound is formed. So, it is called acrolein or acraldehyde, another name. Another common name is acraldehyde. So, this compound has two names, acrolein or acraldehyde. Shall we see the IUPAC name? Here, you have to start counting from the carbon carrying functional group. CHO is the functional group. So, 1, 2, 3. Double bond is next to the second carbon. Double bond is next to the second carbon. So, it should start with 2. There are 3 carbon, so double bond means ene, al, propanal. The ene indicates the presence of double bond. Al indicates it's aldehyde. This is acrolein. Shall we see another unsaturated compounds? CH3, CH, double bond CH. This is called crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde. Let's start counting. As I have told you, the counting must be started from the functional group 1, 2, 3 and 4. Double bond is next to the second carbon. So, 2, totally 4 carbons. So, butanal. This is the IUPAC name of crotonaldehyde. Shall we see one aromatic aldehyde? Aromatic aldehyde is C6H5CHO. That is benzaldehyde. The common name is benzaldehyde. The common name is benzaldehyde. Let's try to learn IUPAC name. Basically, let's consider HCHO. Basically, HCHO. HCHO has 1 carbon. You know very well that it's formaldehyde. I told you. It has 1 carbon. So, its IUPAC name is methanal, ending with Al. Methanal. 1 carbon. So, methanal. Suppose this hydrogen, one of the hydrogen is replaced by C6H5. So, basically methanal, the methanal is replaced, one of the hydrogen of methanal is replaced by C6H5. C6H5 is called as